In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to download Pinterest pictures to your phone whenever your phone model is. So if we come over to Pinterest then, guys, you can see all of these different pictures available. All I'm going to do is select one and then we're going to see how to download that. So we got just a few here. Let's just select this picture. You can see that we have the option here to save, but that's only going to save it into Pinterest. So if we hold it down, we can go and select the one in the middle to send it, and that's going to send it either by WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever it is that you're using. But what we want to do is click on the top right-hand corner. We can see the three dots. And then from there, guys, you can see we have the option to download image. Clicking on download image is now saying image downloaded. Let's just check that that's managed to get back out to my photo gallery. Go to the photo gallery, click on the bottom, and you can see that we now have a picture I wanted. Guys, if you enjoyed that or got some value, smash the thumbs up button. If you want to learn more about how to do tips and trips on your phone or your laptops, literally hit the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.